Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Pick a high ridge to mount your top anchor point for maximum slope. Gather 3 strong logs, 1 rope, 1 hook, and structural brackets. Aim for a landing pad at least 6 meters lower than the start. Clear a 3-5-meter swing zone free of trees and rocks. Mark the line visually using dirt or tape before building any supports. Test a short practice cable for tension using 50 kilograms of weight equivalent. Adjust slope until a sled or log reaches the base in about 6 seconds. Set 2 vertical supports at the top and 2 at the bottom for stability. Use 2 support posts and 1 central brace for each log anchor. Lay 3 logs end to end, overlapping by 20 centimeters for strength and durability. Attach logs with 2 heavy brackets and a tightened rope tensioner at each overlap point. Run the main cable or rope along the log center and secure with metal hooks every 1-2 meters. Place the brake log 1-5 meters before the landing pad and wedge it firmly to slow descent. Perform 2 full static tests before any live run, loading the line with 50 kilograms first. Test the line with 50 kilograms before human use for safety. Run 3 short trial sleds to verify speed and brake effectiveness without players aboard. Inspect all brackets and hooks after every 10 runs for wear or loosening and tighten as needed. Replace rope or cable if any strand frays or loses tension to prevent catastrophic failure. Keep the approach clear and always ride with a backup parachute or quick release tool on hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.